All right, you two. So to start you out in your first pairing adventure, keep you in champagne. This is from the legendary producer Piper Heidsieck, and they call this champagne rare. So it is the best champagne that Piper Heidsieck offers us consumers. It's all from the 2007 vintage, and it's all aged in this bottle for 8 years before it's ever sold to me to give to you. The blend of grapes are Chardonnay and then Pinot Noir, but this is going to give you a lot more of that really ripe style orchard fruit profile, bright acidity, soft texture. On the finish, it is going to give you a toasted bread, as I kind of described that Krug, but it's meant to go along with your first course. You're welcome.
We were very busy, that's all the week and tonight. Tonight it's I gotta know how fast to pace my drinking.
No, take your time.
Does a new glass come with every...
It does.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'll pace myself.
Yeah, so all the dishes are individual as well. We don't like to give you kind of like a trio of dishes and say that that's like your second, third, and fourth course.
Sure.
I feel like that's like kind of ripping you off a little bit. I need to talk to you about the halibut that you guys are doing from Mr. Savoy.
Mushroom and variable sauce.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. How you two doing so far? You enjoying everything?
We're doing great.
Okay, good. Excellent, excellent. Known as Bierzo. You can kind of see the little red dot right here, where you have Portugal as that little empty space right below it. Les Epinot, 2004. Nice, cool. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. It's such a light, delicate color.
What vintage and what is the cost?
It's like 6,000. Okay.
Medicare deposit and
Now we're gonna head to Burgundy. So this is the birthplace of Chardonnay, one of my favorite grapes in the world, especially when it's made in Burgundy. So this is the Grand Cru vineyard, very famous, known as Beta Marché. Fish knife, exactly. It does look like a cake knife too, though. I could see that after you say it. I'm like, okay, that makes sense.
it's just so no class.
No, come on. So now we're gonna go to Burgundy, okay? My favorite area in the world, especially for white wine. So this is coming from the producer Domaine Maître. I'll give you guys, again, the rest of this amazing bottle. But it's your birthday, so you deserve it anyways. So this is coming from the village. It's known as Meursault. This is going to give you bright acidity. It's going to have a soft, creamy texture, ripe orchard fruit profile. It's going to smell a little bit flinty. So when you smell this, think of like gunpowder, fireworks, matchstick, whatever your reference is for just a little bit of that sulfur, and then a touch of oak influence that's going to linger on the finish. Think of fall spices like vanilla, cinnamon, clove. Oh my goodness, the smell on that thing. Dude, the smell on that is just, that is benchmark Bordeaux, man. All right, chef. So I'm going to give you one of my favorite Bordeaux's. La Rose 1989. My favorite. So this is the XIII. It's a library release. So they bottled this and recorked it in 2018.
2018.
Yeah. So you see? So it's a late release to us. Earthy, savory, classic style Bordeaux. One of my favorite producers.
89.
Amazing. Thank you. No. Welcome. Think of watercress, arugula, white pepper. Main course. So we're gonna switch up your wines. So Miss, I'm gonna give you a white. Go to Bordeaux. This is from the left bank of Bordeaux. It's a Cabernet based Bordeaux blend. It's for you. We're gonna go to Bordeaux. We're gonna go white Bordeaux. So this is a blend of Sauvignon Blanc and Semillon from the producer Du Hart Millon. It should be like a benchmark style of Bordeaux that you should compare many Bordeaux to in your future. I promise you. Enjoy. Cheers.
Red because you just had to
That's fine.
them once and then
Okay. All right.
Yeah, that's what tasted
Oh, the fancy glove too.
I don't know, but I know.
All right, you two, the time has come. Yes, please. What they're doing is they're making a wine first. The wine is actually made from 3 grapes. The 3 grapes are from the Cognac region. They're Uni Blanc, Colombard, and Folie Blanche. Grapes, you're going to have more of the dried apricots, the dried peaches, a freshly made creme brulee, and then you have that dark caramel. It really is a spectacular cognac. It's gorgeous.